Clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it,
Hey, what's up guys, your homeboy Picaso here. Thanks for joining in on another video. Okay guys, today it's just a quick little look at something of course to do with Android Wear here. As you see, this is my Moto 360. I went ahead and switched the bands from the Horween leather into more of a plasticky, rubbery band. Little tighter, but yeah, that's another story. So here we have my Moto 360 and I'm simply rocking a very normal faces. It's one of the default watch faces that come on the device. It just changed the color in the background. There's quite a few different smartwatches out there. I've gone ahead and fell in love with the Moto 360. I do have an LG watch as well, and I love Android Wear. Basically what this is, it is a watch face. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring up the watch face on my Nexus 6 here. Okay, and it is called, let's see if we can zoom in here. There it is right there. It's called aGif watch face. Now I really love this application because, I mean, to have aGif running on your Android Wear device, it's pretty cool. I've ran it already, I've used it a couple of times, and I really do like it. Okay, I haven't tested out how the actual battery life, because with my Moto 360 I go through a day easy, you know. I go through a day easy. I don't use it every single day to the max. Of course, there are many days when I use my Moto 360 and it only lasts half the day, you know, just depending on what the day is and how often I need to use the actual watch. Alright, so battery life, don't quote me, I'm not sure yet, I haven't tested it myself, so yeah, I can't give any information or anything pertaining to battery life on the Moto 360 using aGif watch face. Very simple interface. Let's go ahead and launch it. Here we go, it comes up. Now, right off the bat, let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what's going on here. It says, welcome to aGif watch face. Activate watch face, load aGif, load aGif file to your wearable, select watch face style, and then select color. Okay, up here we have the menu bar. Oh, you guys can't see that. Up here we have those three little lines, which is the menu. Going in there, it just says start. You click on it, it started. Okay, and then there's FAQ, premium, change log, apps. Premium doesn't really do anything. It says it is once you tap it as well. It's just donating that, you know, that you like the app, giving the developer recognition that you like the app. And yeah, so, you know, they'll be more encouraged to continue doing other stuff like this. Now, it's the watch face, it's cool. Of course, it's mainly for the GIF. Right, so let's see if it started up as yet. Okay, so it's on analog. We got on analog. Let's go ahead and load a GIF. Let's just hit activate watch face first. Okay, so I hit that. Let's see. Okay, so let's come in here. I think we have to actually select it from in here. Here we go. So here's the icon right here, a GIF. We're gonna go ahead and tap that. Tap it. Okay, now is it loaded? Wow, I got a lot of watch faces in here, don't I? Wow, yeah, the Nexus 6 is rocking. We all know that slight curvature to the device. It doesn't sit flat on a table, so, you know, if you have a Moto 360, you're already used to that. Here we go. Now, as you can see, I actually have aGif lined up already. Where is this now? Come on, escape. There we go. I actually have aGif loaded on it already. Let's zoom in so you guys can see right there. Okay, so no matter what, even being worried about battery life, you have to admit that is cool. Okay, it's a GIF, it's on your device. Oh, alright, now it works a little bit too well. That's awesome, that's awesome. There we have analog. Okay, which brings me to a point that I was going to get to a little bit later on. Let's get out of that. So there's analog. Then in the options here, we have analog sweep. I'm going to select analog sweep. Okay, there we go. And analog sweep, I gotta stop saying the word okay around this thing. So analog sweep brings in that second hand that's going to sweep around the clock face. Alright, now this is where it just looks bad. Digital. Let's hit digital. Let's take a look at it. Digital, I mean, you know, it's not centered. You can't do anything to it other than, I think, selecting the colors of the time itself. I think that's what it is. Let's go set. I think it should be dark blue now. There you go. So dark blue. Sorry, dark blue is a terrible color choice. Sure, let's go for just like a pinkish thing. See? But my thing is, it's just not centered. It just looks bad. I could never just keep that on my wrist just looking like that. It just looks really bad. Then you have none. So if for whatever reason you don't want to have the time on your watch, you can remove it. Okay, but I prefer to keep on just normal analog. Okay, now there's the GIF. So that's awesome. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the link to aGif wallpapers will be in the description. Okay, it's free watch face. It's a free watch face in the Play Store. Okay, so simply we're going to go to open a file right here. Open a file. It's going to bring up your file manager, whatever you like to use. I use QuickPick. You could just use whatever, of course, but wherever, basically what it is, if you find a GIF that you like, just download the GIF. Wherever you download it to, you want to go to that position. Okay, now as you see here, let's take a look first. As you see here, you see that, yeah, we already know about the little flat tire at the bottom of the Moto 360. The little flat tire, as everybody calls it, you know, right there. That gives you that option to swipe up and so forth. Okay, as you see, it's also at the top. Okay, and if you're wondering why it looks like this, if you guys haven't seen my video, there is a tempered glass screen protector on my Moto 360. I did a video, it's on the channel. Go check it out if you want to see, you know, how that went. But yeah, so it not only has the flat tire, but it also has something at the top there. Now, this is not a problem with every GIF you use, and of course, you see the fingerprints. Sorry about that. So basically, what it is, not every GIF. You know, some GIFs, of course, I'm not familiar with GIF size or GIF or whatever. I say GIF. That's what I say. So please don't kill me for that. But yeah, so here's another GIF. Okay, you open the file. You just click on the file. You wait. That's it. Now just take a listen. Just got a buzz. There it is. Now it says GIF watch face. You want to just go ahead and just swipe it up. Sorry, you just want to go ahead and swipe it up. It has the name of the GIF. Okay, swipe to the right, set image. Now a list is going to come up. There are already some preset GIFs in here. They have psychedelic, matrix, pear, star, bebe, the tesseract 2, fire, and then these are some that I've already downloaded. Okay, so what we're looking for is Tumblr NNA. I think it was NNA5, if I'm not mistaken. NNA5BN. So it was right there the whole time. You're just going to go ahead and tap on that. That's it. It's set. You swipe back. There you go. So again, see, each GIF is different in size. So basically, you find the one you like. Oh, that color is still pink, isn't it? Let's go back to just white there for now. Let's do that. There we go. Okay. So you can take a look. Oh, he's so cute. The little cubby just wants to play with his mommy. Okay, but pretty cool. So each GIF has its own different size, and you know they come out differently. Okay, there are gonna be GIFs because I do have some GIFs that I'm not actually gonna play right now. Some little crude comedy GIFs that I won't put up on video. They do take up the full thing, of course, except for the flat tire at the bottom. Alright, but this is just something cool. If you know, you can check out the battery life for yourself, of course. What I'll do is I am going to actually do a test on this tomorrow morning. It's already 12:10 a.m. right now. So later today, I'm going to run a run battery test for the day. So when the workday begins, I'll be testing it until the end of the workday, and then I'll just make note of that, where I am battery wise, and then of course at the end of the day as well. And what I'll do, I'll tweet about it. I'll put it up on the Facebook page. If you don't know, there is a Facebook page for Picaso Entertainment, the Google Plus page, which, well, it's my Google Plus page, but yeah, you know, Picaso Entertainment, that's what I do, right? So I will put up the information there if you're curious to know how the battery life is with a GIF wallpaper. A GIF watch face. Okay, so pretty cool. I do want to go ahead and test this one. This one is funny, but I can put this one up. Let's test this one. Let's wait for the vibration. There's the vibration, letting you know. And this one is, oh, I just turned it off. This one is D27BF. Let's go ahead and take a look. We can find D27BF right there. Let's go ahead and select it. That's it. I think this one actually took up everything. No, it didn't. Oh, that word. Okay, so you can have GIFs just running. Lois Griffin. Okay, hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. Your humble host Picaso, as always, bringing you some cool tech things. Things Android, gaming, music, fun time, family time, whatever. You know how I do. Alright, guys, your humble host Picaso here. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoy. All links will be in the description below. See you in the next one, guys. Peace. I'm out.
Clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it.